Hello everyone. Welcome back to Artificial Professor. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to change the profile picture of your playlist on Spotify. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open the Spotify app on your device and tap on the library in the bottom right corner. After opening the library, you should see the option, Playlist, in the upper left corner. Now tap on the playlist to move towards the next step. Now tap on the three dots and a drop-down menu will appear. As you can see, there is an option, Edit Playlist, tap on it. Now tap on the Change Image button under the profile picture. Now there are multiple options and you can select any of them according to your preference. In my case, I have downloaded a picture for this playlist, and I'm going to upload it by tapping on the Choose Photo. As you can see, the photo is uploaded on the playlist, and all you have to do now is to press the Save button to apply the changes. That's it for today's tutorial, and if you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.